How to delete Google search history on Google Chrome. Launch your Chrome browser in your device. Now over here, if you tap on the three dot icon, here you will see the option of delete browsing data. You can just click on it to remove or delete any of the browsing history in your Google Chrome. Or you can just press on Ctrl Shift and delete button to delete the browsing data. You can also check out the history section, and over here you will find all of the history that you have been browsing in your Chrome. Now in order to delete it, just tap on delete browsing history, then tap on delete data. Once you do so, now you have successfully removed the browsing history. If you check it out in the history, you will see that all of these will be removed. Just click on delete browsing history and ensure to select on time range and tap on all time. Then click on delete data. Once you do this, now all of the data will be removed from your Google Chrome. That's it for the video as well. We hope that this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.